Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcut to reveal expressions in an After Effects composition. So you can see what expressions have been applied to a single layer. You can also see all of the expressions applied in an entire composition. To reveal the expressions for a single layer, just select any layer in your composition and tap on the E key 2 times. So EE, that will reveal all expressions for a single layer. If you want to reveal all of the expressions used in a composition, just make sure that no layers are selected. So you can click off here to deselect, or you can tap on the F2 key. That will deselect everything. So with no layers selected, you're going to use the same keyboard shortcut EE. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on EE. That will reveal all of the expressions in the entire composition. If you're brand new to Adobe After Effects, an expression is just a snippet of code or a script that can be applied to layer properties that will generate different animation behaviors. When opening layers, if you see the numbers in red, that indicates that an expression has been added to that layer property. In this case, it's the position property. And if you twirl open position, you will see there's expression position, and over here in the timeline, this is the actual expression. And if you need to edit or add to it, all you need to do is click in, and you can now start typing in a new expression. And a bonus tip, if you click on this little arrow right here, you will get a menu of all of the expressions already available to you in Adobe After Effects. So if you just want to explore, or maybe you forgot one or don't want to type it all in, all you have to do is select it, then you can just change the values. So the recap, if you want to reveal all of the expressions for a single layer, just select the layer and tap on the E key 2 times. So EE will reveal all of the expressions for a single layer. If you want to reveal all of the expressions for the entire composition, deselect all the layers by clicking off of it and tap on the E key 2 times, so EE, that will reveal all of the expressions for the entire composition. My name is Mike Murphy. That is your quick tip in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers!